How to use Together mode in Microsoft Teams. Want a more immersive and connected meeting experience in Microsoft Teams? Together mode places everyone in a shared virtual space, making interactions feel more natural. Let's activate Together mode on your iPhone. Together mode works best with several participants. Ensure you are in an active Microsoft Teams with enough people to fill a virtual space, usually 5. During the meeting, tap on the More option icon, usually 3 dots, on your meeting controls. From the menu that appears, tap View. Since you have got only one participant, the view will only show them. But if you have more, then it'll show in a gallery mode. Among the view options, select Together mode or just gallery mode. You may then be presented with different virtual scenes, like an auditorium or a conference room. Choose your preferred scene and Teams will arrange participants' video feeds into that shared space. Together mode makes Microsoft Teams meetings more engaging and collaborative. Feel like you're all in one room. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams immersive features.